Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Oh. Inna the hills, me build me hut. Smoke rise slow, peaceful up me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline. Just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow. Cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds are sing rhythm pon the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in me soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I way life start. Hillside vibration, I am meditation. Ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in a morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise, with the stars above and roots fi guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise, just the flute and the Rasta voice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we chant, blaze fire upon hill, drumming and chanting until we feel still. Hillside vibration, sacred foundation, blaze one figure in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead, with natural love and righteous seed. Me see too much man, chase shadow and dream. Blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up your soul, me find me breath. Away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass. Teach I listen, show I class. I and I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in a the yard. Life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars, sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in a hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss, me live clean. Me temp me natural, me vibe serene. Hillside vibration, soul elevation, with ital stew and deep meditation. Come fi visit, but leave your worry. Me teach you how fi slow, no hurry. Inna the hills, Rasta man reign with a smiling heart and no pain. So if Babylon life make you feel low, come find Rasta up where breeze blow. Ganja, drum and harmony, live free under Jah canopy. Zion echoes bring this sound from hillside art to world around. Meditate with Zion, reggae and man. Oh. Deep blue water, endless tide, ocean of Zion, open wide. Every wave a sacred hymn, flow from Jah and flow within. Babylon try to build a dam, but ocean stronger than a man. Every drop a holy flame, ocean carry your name. Fisherman chant upon the sea, ocean of Zion set him free. Children swim and dolphins play. Ocean guide the righteous way, not of greed, not of war. Ocean carry love ashore. Every tide a holy song, ocean flow forever long. Storm may rise and ships may fall, ocean still embrace us all. No iron chain can bind the wave. Ocean strong, Jah people say. Rivers run from mountain high. Ocean meet the open sky. Endless circle, truth remain. Ocean wash away the pain. Travel far from shore to shore. Ocean show Jah evermore. Ancient mariner lift the hand. Ocean guide him to the land. Babylon fleet may boast and roam, but ocean crush them to the floor. Jah creation pure and white. Ocean of Zion rising tide. Songs of whales beneath the deep. Ocean sing while people sleep. Every creature, great and small. Ocean cradle carry all. No beginning, no end to see. Ocean chant eternity. Everlasting, never gone. Ocean sing Jah holy song. Flow, flow, mighty tide, carry people far and wide. Wash the sorrow, cleanse the land. Ocean move by Jah hand. Ocean of Zion, wide and strong. Carry the people all along. From the river to the sea, ocean chant eternity. Forever flowing, pure and free. Ocean guide humanity. Bada boom, bada boom. Rasta cushion at the area, man. Me wake on the hillside, dew still fresh. Me sip the herbal tea, no worry, no stress. In a hammock, swing between the trees. Me feel the breeze, me heart find peace. The drum beat a call from ancient ground. Me close me eye and listen to the sound. Birds sing melodies in a natural scale. Me journey begin on a holy trail. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me no need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock.
gather me herbs from the forest way. Blessed by the sun, them shine each day. I tell soup in a clay pot boil, with coconut, yam and sweet olive oil. Me chant Jah Rastafari with soul. Me not chase riches, me not seek gold. Me wealth of peace, me wealth of time. Me soul align like ancient rhyme. Me reason with me brethren pon the porch. Smoke the chalice and the full moon touch. Them Babylon light can't blind me sight. Me vision clear in a starry night. Me see future bright like Zion gate. No hate, just love me now wait. Me walk slow, me talk true. Me live each day like me born anew. Ganja smoke, rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the blue west sky. Meditation deep, me nah need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me sing for the elders, me sing for the youth. Me sing roots rhythm, me sing the truth. No TV lies, no media fog. Me write me story like log upon log. Me blaze up the chalice in a ceremony. One love, one heart, no enemy. Each draw bring vision, each breath bring grace. Me trod in a Rasta time sacred place. Yeah, herbs and harmony guide me path. Me chant wisdom like ancient craft. No fear in me bones, just sound. Reggae run like river underground. So me say to the world, slow down, just be. Sit on stone and watch the tree. Inhale love, exhale pain. Let your vibes fall like blessed rain. Me share me joy with rhythm and tune. Zion echoes, we stand alone in a unity, in a roots delight. Me blaze for peace every day and night.
Kingston cushion on me long brother. Na na na. Na 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 na. Kingston cushion on me long brother. Beat the drum, the heartbeat sound. Drums of Zion shake the ground. Every nation hear the call. Drums of Jah unite them all. Not in weapon, not in gun, but in drum the victory won. Every rhythm, every tone, drums connect the flesh and bone. Children gather, circle round. Drums of nations shake the town. Elder chant, young ones dance. Drums of Zion give a chance. No division, no more fight. Drums of Zion bring the light. From the east and to the west, drums proclaim the righteous best. Africa call, Jamaica sing. Drums of nations echo ring. India, Asia, island shore. Drums of Zion evermore. Every people, every tribe. Drums of Zion keep alive. Not a border, not a wall. Drums of Zion break them all. Drums of nations beat as one. Every echo, every sound. Drums of Zion still resound. Babylon system can't withstand. Drums beat strong by Jah hand. Generation after time. my soul arise. Drums of Zion fill the skies. Every step become a prayer. Drum remind your people care. From creation till today, drums of nations guide the way. Everlasting, pure and free. Drums of Zion unity. Beat, beat, drum of fire. Lift the people higher and higher. Drums of nations beat along. Carry Zion holy song. Drums of nations loud and strong. Unite the people all along. Every heartbeat, every tone. Drums of Zion call we home. Forever beating, true and free. Drums of Zion unity. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Na na na, na na na, done by the riverside, yeah, man. Me trod so long through rain and sun. Each step a battle, each fight hard won. Through valley deep and mountain high. Jahanda guide me, spirit fly. Me cross the river, me face the storm. But love keep me heart warm. Now me see the golden light. Zion gates just come inside. Open the gates of Zion wide. Let the righteous step inside. Sing this song for all mankind. Leave the hate and fear behind.
Be in the gates of Zion wide.
Na na na,
Let the righteous step inside.
na na na,
Sing this song for all mankind.
na na na.
Leave the hate and fear behind.
Me hear the trumpet start to play. Announce the dawn of brighter day. The people gather young and old. Every story now retold. We lay we burdens at the door. Pick up joy forevermore. Zion call like mother's song. Calling we where we belong. Me see the garden lush and green. Peaceful as me ever seen. River run with healing flow. Tree of life in center grow. Every fruit a taste of grace. Every soul in perfect place. No chain, no prison, no divide. Only truth and love abide. Me meet the elders pon the hill. Them tell me, child, keep treading still. The journey long but worth the pain. For every seed bring righteous gain. We sit and reason through the night. Under moon and holy light, them say Zion gates never close, for heart that pure and spirit knows.
Step inside, children, step inside. No more run, no more hide. Leave Babylon dust and road. Come trudge a righteous road. Lift your voice and lift your hand. Give thanks for the promised land. Every beat of the drum declare Zion love for all who care.
Call the name, shout it loud. Zion stand above the cloud. The choir rise, the voices blend. Song of life that never end. Each note a blessing, pure and strong. Every soul sing along. Me feel me tears, but them sweet. Like water at your feet. Zion gates swing open wide. Jah light pour like morning tide. Me see the children run and play. Bright like sunrise every day. No hunger here, no war, no cry. Just promise fill the sky. We share the bread, we share the wine. We walk the path so divine. Drums still beat, heart still warm. Zion peace, the perfect form. When nightfall come, no darkness near. For Jah light shine crystal clear. We rest beneath the holy tree. Tell Jah thanks fi set we free. Me close me eyes and hear the sound of love and joy all around. And when me wake, me still inside. Zion gates forever wide. Open the gates of Zion wide.
We step in with Jah as guide.
Leave the hate and fear behind.
Only love for all mankind.
Open the gates of Zion wide.
Rasta children step inside.
Zion gates forever wide. Jah light inside, Jah light inside. After this storm, the sky reveal rainbow covenant just seal. 7 colors holy sign, promised until end of time. Babylon crumble, wall follow. Rainbow shine for all to know. Every tear Jah wipe away. Rainbow bring the brighter day.
Aye, aye, aye. Meditate with Zion. Reggae, yeah, man. Deep blue water, endless tide. Ocean of Zion, open wide. Every wave a sacred hymn. Flow from Jah and flow within. Babylon tried to build a dam, but ocean stronger than a man. Every drop a holy flame. Ocean carry Jah name. Fisherman chant upon the sea. Ocean of Zion set him free. Children swim and dolphins play. Ocean guide the righteous way. Not of greed, not of war. Ocean carry love ashore. Every tide a holy song. Ocean flow forever long. Storm may rise and ships may fall. Ocean still embrace us all. No iron chain can bind the wave. Ocean strong, Jah people save. Rivers run from mountain high. Ocean meet the open sky. Endless circle, truth remain. Ocean wash away the pain. Travel far from shore to shore. Ocean show Jah evermore. Ancient mariner lift the hand. Ocean guide him to the land. Babylon fleet may boast and roar, but ocean crush them to the floor. Jah creation pure and wide. Ocean of Zion rising tide. Oh, 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 oh. Songs of whales beneath the deep. Ocean sing while people sleep. Every creature great and small. Ocean cradle carry all. No beginning, no end to see. Ocean chant eternity. Everlasting, never gone. Ocean sing Jah holy song. Flow, flow mighty tide. Carry people far and wide. Wash the sorrow, cleanse the land. Ocean move by Jah hand. Oh, 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 oh. Ocean of Zion wide and strong. Carry the people all along. From the river to the sea. Ocean chant eternity. Forever flowing, pure and free. Ocean guide humanity.
Zion brother, let the session begin. Yeah man. Born in a little village pon the hillside breeze, under star sky and mango trees. Me mama chant psalms by the firelight. Me papa build roof before the daylight. Me nah know city, me nah know war. Me only know love, me only know star. God them call me name from the field. Nature teach me what man conceal. Me barefoot run through the wet red clay. Me spirit rise with each break of day. No Wi-Fi but me connected deep to the moon, the tide to me soul's keep. Me a Rasta born from me ear to me soul. Me walk Jah way, me never lose control. Me chant and plant, me drum and dance. Life sweet like ital, pure like trance. Me a Rasta born, in a love me grow. From root to fruit, me truth them show. No riches, but me rich in grace. Me live each day with a smiling face. Me burn herb for the healing, not for hype. Me meditate when the stars align right. Me sit under tree, reason with thyself. Me nah look fame, me look soul wealth. Me find beauty in rain pan zinc, in a sister laugh and a brother's wink. Me take time for the sunrise glow, each moment sacred, slow and low. Me sing for Jah, me sing for earth, me sing for the people who know them worth. Me no want status or no crown, just a hammock swing and the root sound. Me say, let the breeze blow me dread, let the smoke curl high, let the bird fly free. Me nah ask why. Me bless every meal, me bless every tone. Me heart find home when me there alone. I tell still bubble, me sister numb sweet. Life in the hills, it complete. Me strum me guitar while rain fall light. This life not loud, but it feel right. Me a Rasta born with a lion heart. Me nah fake smile, me nah play part. Me nah compete, me elevate. Me soul me nah negotiate. Me a Rasta born, hear me song and know that peace can grow where love flow slow. Me walk with fire but me burn fi heal. Each chant me sing, me spirit feel. Me sight Babylon truck on TV once. Them loud and fast but empty response. Me rather the quiet of coconut fall than the noise of wall after wall. Me play rhythm in a twilight haze. Me hand clap praise, me mindset blaze. Me see string bring fruits, I'll in a basket weave. Me say, love live long when you believe. Children run laugh by the river bend. Me see hope where some say end. Me not preach, me just live so. And hope say the world go flow. So if you're tired of the race and chase, come find me in a still place where herb grow wild and music live. Where you not take.
Na na na, Rasta man chant, yeah man. Under the moonlight, calm and still. Jah presence bless the hill. Stars above them shine so clear. Rasta spirit always near. Me sit and reason pon the stone. Never walk this path alone. Me feel the rhythm in a breeze. Jah comfort me with ease. Every sound from near and far guide me where the blessings are. Me chant for hope, me chant for love. Peace descend from above. The fire blaze, the chalice glow. Wisdom flow, me spirit grow. Me see the world in Jah design. Everything aligned, no envy, greed or pride. Just light from deep inside. Me walk with faith, me walk with care. Jah glory everywhere. Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one song. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. One na 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 na, yeah. Me hear the drum beat soft and low. Ancient voices start to show. Me feel the healing deep within. Jah kingdom never dim. Every man and woman true. Jah light shine through you. From the mountain to the sea. Rasta live in harmony. Me chant for unity, me chant for peace. Love and mercy never cease. The night so calm, the heart so pure. Jah love forever sure. Me rise, me pray, me sing. Jah blessing everything. No fear can shake me ground. Love forever song. Rasta moonlight shine.
Bless the heart,
Bless the heart, bless the mind.
bless the mind.
One love, one truth, one sound.
One sound,
Jah presence all around.
all the day,
Light the night, guide the day.
guide the day,
Lead me on Jah way.
Yahweh.
So when the dawn begin to glow, remember Jah, where are you go? One heart, one love, one flame, forever in Jah name. Forever da 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 da.
Aye, aye, aye. Down by riverside with Zion, yeah man. Flowing down from mountain high, underneath Jah blessed sky, crystal clear and cool me and water pure fi heal the land. Every drop of holy grace reflect the sunlight on Jah face. River of Zion never dry, carry hope as it pass by. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jah song. Me kneel beside the river bank, give me thanks, me praise, me frank. It feed the root, it feed the seed, it give the earth all she need. Children splash and elders smile, water run for mile and mile. Every ripple, every wave, tell the story Jah once gave. When the droughts have burned the plain, river come with healing rain. Babylon dam can't stop the flow, from Jah mountain it will go. It cool the heart, it calm the mind, bring the peace we all must find. Through the desert, through the storm, river keep we safe and warm. Me follow stream to valley deep, where secrets of creation sleep. The fish them swim, the birds them call, river bless and feed them all. No greed can take, no man can own this water from Jah alone. It teach the youth how life will stay when we live in Jah way. Before the moonlight touch the wave, river sing fi all Jah save. From dawn till night, from year to year, river keep the spirit near. It never stop, it never rest, Jah creation at its best. River of Zion always run till the works of Jah are done. Flow strong,
Me carry urban art so true. Me see paltal from coconut shell. Inna the hills where Jaja dwell. The breeze it whisper ancient lore of prophets chanting from before. Under the mango tree me sit. With wisdom leave me mind get lit. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul pan the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. The lion roar from deep within. Me chant psalms and shed me skin. No gold, no chain, just nature round. Rasta soul to earth is bound. Meditation in a misty morn. A higher life me now reborn. With every draw me spirit grow. In ganja fire me shoots overflow. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul pan the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. Roots and smoke, fire blaze high. Lift me soul pan the mountain sky. Burn the chalice, cleanse the sight. Zion call me to the heights. No need for clock, no need for race. Me find me rhythm, me sacred place. Me plant the seed, me water well. Me life a prayer, me mind no dwell. Me dreadlocks swaying in the breeze. Me soul connected to the trees. Me hear the drums, me feel the beat. The earth it move beneath me feet. Smoke rise up in a sacred ring. Me reason with bird and every wing. Rasta way, no just a fad. It's how me live, and me give thanks to that. Zion I me nah go fall. Rasta rise above them all. Peace and ganja, love and light. Me ride the rhythm deep in the night. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Deep in the night. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Deep in the night.
Smoke with Zion, yeah man. Yeah man. I am. Me rise before the morning sun. Another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face. Jah guide me in this place. From the ashes of oppression grow a strength that Babylon I know. Lion spirit waking at the heart. Freedom art. Me see the people stand again. After centuries of pain, the fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak. Give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry echo through the sky. Me trod the road, them paved with lies. Still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone. But me now walk alone. Me hear the whisper in a deep breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Fry on, Fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta louder. Me see the youths them wise and proud, chant redemption loud. Me know Jah time soon come, the battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, hear creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. Me see the river shining clear, wash away me fear. Lion run through the land, justice in a Jah hand. No chain can bind a righteous man. No force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light. Rasta keep it bright. Me chant me psalm through every storm. Spirit transform me, walk with courage, faith and song. For the journey long, fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Fly on the wings of the lion. Soaring high. Freedom paint the sky. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me rest my soul upon higher ground. Peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong. Jah love live long. Aye, aye, aye. Smoke a kush with Safe Kaya man. Me rise up early with the sun, chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in soil, me mind at peace. Planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green, sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life, stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land, in ganja smoke and Jaja hand. Me burn a spliff, fi clear me sight. Me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me. Through every leaf, me spirit free. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist. Every draw a sacred twist. Meditation time pon the stone me sit. Inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find Jah light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil.
love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youth to plant and grow. Not just herb, but art, you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide. Just spirit always deep inside. In a one love, herb garden. Me heart beat like Naya Bingy drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun. We chant till the Babylon done.
Smoke a kosher man. Morning rise, the sky is so bright. Son of Zion, bring the light. Every shadow fade away. Sun declare a righteous day. Babylon throne can't withstand. Son of Jah, shine the land. Every ray of prophecy, sun illuminate eternity. Children laughing golden flame. Sun exalt Jah holy name. Elders chant with joyful sound. Son of Zion spread around. Not of violence, not of war. Sun bring peace forevermore. Every field begin to grow. Son of Zion blessed below. Desert bloom, the river shine. Son of Zion, pure divine. Traveler lost upon the road. Sun reveal the righteous code. No man strong enough to hide. Son of Jah, forever guide. Generation see the sign. Son of Zion, brighter line. Through the storm, Son of Zion still perform. Babylon crumble, wall decay. Son of Jah light the way. Every heart a fire burn. Son of Zion always return. Morning glory, endless flame. Sun proclaim Jah mighty name. Far horizon, east to west. Son of Zion, never rest. Every nation, every race. Son of Zion, shine with grace. Everlasting, pure and true. Son of Zion, for me and you. From creation till today. Son of Jah, forever stay. Shine, shine, holy light. Guide the people through the night. Rise, rise, bright.
Jaman. Me waking at the dawn so clean. Jah bless me sin. Me smell the earth, the breeze, the dew. Life feel new. Bird them sing a joyful tune. Zion me home. Me rise from the humble clay. Give thanks for another day. The mountain whisper peace. Me soul release. Me see the sun paint the sky golden eye. Every leaf me see a prayer. Jah always there. Me walk through fields of light. No more night. Every shadow fade away. Jah guide me way. Me hold me staff, me trod my path, free from wrath. Each breath me take, me know Jah river flow. Way Zion morning shine, bless the heart of mankind. Every tear wash clean, truth unseen. Zion morning rise, open up me eyes, Jah light divine, forever mine. Me sit and reason with the breeze, soul at ease. The lion roar for truth again, break the chain. No money, no crown, no fame can match Jah name. Me plant hope deep inside, me never hide. Me hear the children play below, love overflow. Me give them roots to know how to grow. Zion teach the simple way, live and pray. Me chant till my voice gone, still carry on. Zion mountain top, Jah rule over all. My heart belong there, true, forever new. Wait, Zion morning shine, bless the heart of mankind. Every tear wash clean, truth unseen. Zion morning rise, open up my eyes, Jah light divine, forever mine. So when the night come again, me feel no pain. Zion morning wait for me eternally. Hey.
Aye, aye, aye. Give Rasta this record, yeah, man. In a Zion grow the tree, roots of love eternally. It stretched to heaven, touch the sky. Zion tree will never die. Branches strong, branches wide. Zion tree forever guide. Eternal growing, pure and free. Zion tree protect me. Zion tree roots so deep, shed the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion tree all people seek. Forever holy, never fall. Zion tree for one and all. It stand through storm, it stand through flame. Zion tree exalt your name. Eternal branches, strong and tall. Zion tree protect we all.
beneath the holy shade. Zion tree, Jah hand has made. It give me comfort, give me rest. Zion tree, Jah truly blessed, forever growing, never cease. Zion tree, bring Jah peace from mountain high to valley low. Zion tree, forever grow, no Babylon can cut it down. Zion tree, wear holy crown, it grow eternal, never dry. Zion tree, reach to the sky, forever fruitful, strong and free. Zion tree, eternity, holy shelter, pure and true. Zion tree, for me and you. Trumpet sound again, Zion tree still remain, forever standing, never gone. Zion tree, forever strong, it called the nations, called them near. Zion tree, forever here, holy growing, pure and free. Zion tree, eternity, grow strong, grow wide. Zion tree, forever guide, no chain, no axe can cut away. Zion tree, forever stay.
the people, yeah man. Me step barefoot on the morning dew, which I listen and me trod through. Mountain breeze whisper secrets all. Me heart beats steady, me soul feel bold. Each leaf a teacher, each tree a guide. Me walk with Jah right by me side. Me nah need map, me nah need plan. Jah light me way in this blessed land. Irie trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me sit under fig tree, light me spliff. Give thanks for life, each sacred gift. Bird them chant, river flow sweet. Me chant psalms with ancient beat. No city nice, no digital screen. Me vision clear, me soul stay clean. Meditation roll like thundercloud. Me thoughts come low, me chant out loud. And when Babylon call, me nah hear. Me dwell in peace, far from fear. Me find me joy in the roots and stone. Me build me temple from herbs alone. Me gather herbs in a woven sack. Me carry wisdom on me back. Each leaf a blessing, each draw divine. Me connect with Jah time after time. Irie trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me blaze for the youth, them lost in town, who never feel earth underfoot ground down. Me call them to hills, call them to light. Show them stars in a darkest night. Me share me fruits, me share me flame. One world, one blood, all the same. No ego, no hate, in a me gate. Just love and vibes, me meditate. Yeah, me nah follow trend, me nah wear mask. Me nah chase likes, me nah do task. Me just chant truth like Rasta should. Me live in harmony, me life feel good. So if you seek peace, come trod with I. We'll blaze a spliff beneath the sky. No hurry, no worry, just pure bliss. Each step a prayer, each puff a kiss. Zion echoes echo far.